us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us, and when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feel it draw you in, watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day. Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish finding one into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. It's just beginning for your evening star is shining bright. So make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen. Your destiny lies within you. You just have to be brave enough to see it, and then your journey begins.
trust you. Having a best friend by your side opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
That's what friends are for.
Never had a friend, you ain't never had a friend, you ain't never had a
university. It's the most rare and beautiful of all. Look inside yourself. You are more than what you have become. Remember who you are.
Of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me,
Where the crowds will cheer when they see my face,
and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be."
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory.
we're changed by the way we live every day. Just Look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly. You can
Thank you for joining us this evening for our nighttime spectacular, Happily Ever After, presented